Um,
Hey guys, good morning. Guys, can you hear me? Great, great. Fine. I'll be sharing my screen in a while. So, welcome all to this webinar where we are going to discuss on how to overcome the fear of programming while you want to learn Selenium Java Automation. Okay, that is the topic. Fine. So, let's get started. I'll be sharing my screen in a while. So, hope you guys are able to see my screen.
yes.
Okay, great. Fine, guys. So all good. So we have good number of people. It's great. So let's begin. So guys, we'll have one-on-one thing. Okay. So if you want to ask me any questions and all right, you can do that. So later. Okay. So this is an interactive session, guys. Okay. This is an interactive session. So make utilization of this. Whoever want to ask the question, right? Okay. They can ask me at any point of time during this session. Fine. Just type in the chat ready. If everyone is ready, just type in the chat ready, guys, here. READY ready. Or you can even type single letter R if you want the shortcut. Okay. Just type ready in the chat if you are ready for the webinar. Let's see how active you guys are. Okay, great. Everyone type R if you are ready, guys, okay, for this webinar. Just type R in the chat. So these webinars we are conducting, for knowledge sharing purpose. Okay. We are planning actually every week one webinar. Okay, so you guys can follow our Telegram channel. Okay, where this information on these webinars will be posted. So just try to be active in that Telegram group and keep checking what webinars we are planning. Okay, so fine. So a lot of webinars we are planning, guys, and this will somehow will change your way of thinking or will make you a better person in whatever the work you are currently doing at present. Great. Fine, great, guys. Okay, good energy. Let's continue. So, how to overcome the fear of programming for learning Selenium Java? So, type in the chat again, guys. Like, how many people have this feeling like, okay, I want to learn Selenium Java, but I have some fear about programming because of which I'm unable to proceed further. Just type me in the chat. Don't worry, even I was okay. I was in that situation earlier. It's common thing, guys. Everyone may have this feeling. So I used to have this feeling. I used to be afraid of programming, and because of which, I didn't start my Selenium automation journey a way before. Okay, it took me 2 years of time to break that problem. Okay. So a lot of people are there. They're saying me, that's very good, guys. You guys are coming forward. Okay, it's a common thing, guys. Okay, so not everyone will have that kind of feeling towards programming. Okay, so a lot of people, have a kind of feeling that okay, this programming I am kind of afraid of, or I don't have a feeling of towards this programming. Why to take the that complex thing? Okay, such kind of feelings we have. But guys, let me tell you that these days automation is mandatory. Okay, so only people who are very good in domain knowledge in manual testing part, okay, we are very, very, very good in some kind of rare domain knowledge like banking, finance, insurance, okay, sales or whatever it is, right? Healthcare. You may be excused from this automation thing because you are specialized in something already. Like you are very good with okay, domain knowledge and all. So that's okay. Okay, very rare cases though. But not everyone will get a chance, right? Such kind of chance where you will be an expert in domain knowledge and all. What about other people? For the other people, automation, automation testing is mandatory. Why? Let's talk about the cricket team that we generally talk, right? Cricket. Okay, this day recently World Cup also has completed, but our team did very well. But unfortunately, the last match lost. We lost, but that's okay, guys. Okay, all we have to appreciate all the wins they have done. Okay, just the final they have lost, but you see, single match they didn't lose from the beginning. How much efforts they have put. Okay, so we have such kind of feeling towards our team, right? Very good feeling we have towards the team because they have did very well in the previous matches and all. Just the last match due to the kind of situations they have lost, but okay, that's fine also. Still, we have a good feeling towards team. They have did very well. Okay, in terms of work, right? They have did very well. Great. So, so for the team to be successful, for the cricket to be team to be successful, it is very important that you should only know bowling, should only know batting. It's not like that. You have to do both bowling, batting. Not just that, fielding also is important, right? If so, a cricketer, we are expecting a cricketer that who is playing for our Indian team to not only be good at bowling, not only to be good at batting, okay, other aspects also, fielding and all, okay. But there may be some exceptional cases where you are exceptionally good at bowling. You can take 5 wickets in a match, like Mohammad Shami, but you don't have an expectation of batting from Mohammad Shami, right? Hope everyone is connecting here with this example, right? Mohammad Shami was bowling very good. He was almost taking like 3 to 5 wickets every match in the World Cup. So we personally have less expectation on Mohammad Shami in terms of batting. But if he just hit some fours or sixes, right, we are very happy. But the same fours or sixes, the Virat Kohli will do. Okay, that's okay. He has to hit more. We have a lot of expectations in terms of batting of Virat Kohli, right? Some exceptions are there here, like okay, batting exceptions. A good batter may not need to take a lot of wickets, right? A good bowler may not need to run more score. But other people, what about other people who are not exceptional in batting and bowling? We expect something known as they have to be an all-rounder. Do you agree with me, guys? Okay, with this explanation, do you agree with me? Type S if you agree. Just type single letter S in the chat if you agree with me. We are learning how automation is important. Okay, just from the real world cricket example, right? It's always is, right? Remaining, you have to be either a specialist, exceptional person in terms of batting, bowling. We don't expect in other areas. Like, but if you are just so-so in batting, so-so in bowling, we want you to be an all-rounder, very good at fielding, very good at bowling, very good at batting, so that we can rely on you. We can have you in our cricket team. Similarly, if the companies want to have you guys work as a software tester, if you're not exceptional in some domain knowledge as part of manual testing, if you're not an exceptional person in some banking domain or something, or if you are not exceptional in terms of whatever that is, okay, in something, maybe security or performance or something, you are not specialized, then definitely the companies that are there out want you to be an all-rounder. They want as many skills, okay, you should have kind of feeling, okay, because you are not a specialized person in one area. They are expecting you to be good at every area, okay. That's kind of situation most of the people who are working in the companies are. So if you just in this kind of situations, if you're not exceptional in manual testing, but you are there, just there, you are doing manual testing, a day will come when you guys have to work on automation and you are not aware of automation, because the backside problem is a kind of fear towards the programming is there, which is stopping you to start with automation, okay. So in that kind of situation, the company may not see you as an all-rounder, because you are always giving importance to manual testing and you are not doing exceptionally well. You're doing well, but exceptionally you are not doing well. In that case, the company will expect you as an all-rounder, but you are failing there, because of which you may lose your job. Because of that, you may not be exceptional. They may not count on you. Depends. Different situations will come. Market may not be good. All the situations out of our hands will come, and you may have a possibility of losing your job. Okay. Though you have did well in manual testing, since you are not an all-rounder, you have lost your job. All these kind of situations will happen, right? That we are seeing always. Already we are seeing, because the market is not good from the last one or more than 1 year. The market is not good at all. Job opportunities are not much as they used to be. But we are getting a news recently, a good news we are getting, that the inflation is cutting down in US. The interest rates in the US are getting cut down. So a lot of people may take loans, okay? Because a lot of investors may take loans, because of which they can, invest in a lot of projects. A lot of projects will start. Because a lot of projects will start, they need a lot of manpower, to run the projects, because of which employment may rise across the globe. That's going to happen, guys. But just now we are getting the signals. So we are expecting, and other people in the industry are expecting, that in April 2024, the job market will be up. Okay, for now. This is the data for now, guys. Okay. Earlier they said Jan 2024. But anyhow, the global cues are coming where, uh, the interest rates are cutting down, and the impact of interest rate getting cutting down now will have a projection that April 2024 the job market will be up and ready, and in June 2024 the hiring will be at peak. It will be peak time, okay. Lot of opportunities you will get in the market. But the problem is, even though the market is ready to offer you this kind of peak situation or up situation later, current situation is not good anyhow. But we are expecting April 2024, or that another quarter, that is June 2024, the market will rise like anything. Opportunities will be open. But still, if you are in manual testing, can you utilize that opportunities? If you are still sticking to manual, I'm not saying that manual testing is wrong. Manual testing is necessary. Even automation testers have to do manual testing, because manual and automation both are good. But just with manual testing, if you are surviving, will that be good, guys? Type your answer in the chat. Yes or no? Type Y if it yes, and type no or N if your answer is no. Market is open for you with good opportunities, right? But you are not ready with automation, just because of one small reason, that is the fear of programming. A kind of fear you have regards to that programming, which is stopping you from learning Selenium automation to that next level. Selenium automation is all about programming, guys. If you are good with programming, Selenium automation is nothing. Selenium automation is nothing if you are kind of good with programming. Then what's the plan? How to overcome that fear, right? The main question is how to overcome this fear, guys. How to overcome this fear of programming. To answer this question, I'll not give you the bullet points. Okay, to answer this question, I'm not going to give you the bullet points. Rather, what I'm going to do, rather, in order to, instead of giving the bullet points, I'm going to give my experience. Okay, what I did to overcome this fear of programming. Okay, so what happened during my journey, where the realistic story behind me. Okay, these days you can see me that at QFox I'm creating good number of content, good content, right? Lot of content. But earlier I was not this kind of person. I was afraid of programming earlier, but I'm not afraid of programming now. But what has happened to me, which changed me or which had made me overcome this fear of programming, is something I'm going to cover now. If you are excited for this, okay, if you're excited, type E in the chat boxes. Okay, if you're excited to know my story of how I did how I overcome the fear of programming, type E, guys. Okay, I would like to see how many people will type E and excited to know my journey of overcoming the fear of programming. A lot of people, lot of people. Keep typing, guys. Keep typing. Yeah, we can have the doubts clearing thing after this topic. Okay. I want first to explain this topic later. You can ask as many doubts as possible, guys. The webinar will continue like anything until all your doubts are cleared. Okay. But for now, let's finish up this topic. Okay. The main agenda of this webinar is how to overcome the fear of programming that I'm going to explain with my story. Good to see a lot of people typing E in the chat box. I want other people also do, guys. Be interactive, guys. Okay, be interactive. Type in the chat so that the energy of this webinar will be boosted, and we can discuss a lot. Great. Fine then. So let's begin my story. So I remember, guys. Okay, how my story. I'm okay. So I'm into CSE, computer science. Okay, during my engineering, I opted for CSE, computer science. That everyone knows that in engineering we have in India JNT colleges for 4 years. Okay, the time period is 4 years. But before I have joined CSE, nothing I know about computers also. Okay, so I remember I joined a typing institute because I'm not aware of this computer at that time. Right, these days laptops are everywhere, smartphones, iPhones, and iPads are everywhere. Right, but at my period of time, that smart devices are not there. So the only possibility that to my visualization is that I have joined a typing institute. Okay, the physical typing machine, okay, that we have to type kind of sound used to come. And I focused on typing because to overcome the fear of computer science, basically. I started with, joining a typing institute nearby, and I used to, uh, you know, carry some papers, white papers with me to the typing institute. I used to, pay some amount to them and then put my papers into that and start typing. That's how my journey started. But the day one, after this typing thing is over, and the day one when I joined my college in the CSE of engineering and all the stuff, day one, this was not useful actually. But all people started, discussing about EMS Office, all the learn EMS Office, and then Windows. At the time, I think Windows XP was their operating system. This was mostly used at that period of time. This is in the year, around 2002, 2003, you can say. Okay, for now. Windows XP operating. Even I was not aware of this. Okay. So, but suddenly we were the day one. This was expectation, but I was not. I didn't know anything because I don't have any laptop or desktop or something. That's fine. I joined. I did. I joined the college right in the day one or the first week, I guess. They took us to a lab. Okay, there was a lab in our college. They took us to the lab, and that is a black and white thing, guys. Okay, black and white stuff. Okay, so they didn't give access for any other stuff other than we have to write C programs and all using that command line thing that we used to have in C language, right? It started with C language. My journey started with C language. Fine. The C language journey started. C language. We used to learn only from books, guys. This technology has changed like anything now that, everything you get on YouTube or this kind of webinars. A lot of trainings are going there, here and there, and all those stuff. C language, it happened. And the next year, we had this Java, that to core Java mainly, core Java programming. And the next 2 years, nothing. First 2 years, at least some, you know, during the engineering days, I got introduced to C language and core Java, but I used to have this fear of programming during these days. Okay, during my initial days, I used to have the fear of programming. So I did so and so. I'll say that C language Java just for the sake of getting marks. I did so and so, guys. Okay, I didn't do well. I did so and so. That's it. I used to practice a lot, but I did so and so only. Okay, somehow I cleared the exams and all. Engineering completed. Now, job market opened for me. Job market got opened for me. Then what happened? I still hold the fear of programming here. During my engineering days, I used to have a fear of programming because I don't have any personal laptop or something with me to break that fear and all. I was just following the books. I'm just trying to clear the exams, score well in the exams. That's all. Somehow 4 years passed away, and job market openings started for me at that time. Openings were very well, but unfortunately, because of my fear, internally I didn't know what's happening, but something is running in my body or mind saying that you are not worth it. What is that? You are not worth it. Even though I scored a lot of marks, okay, and the college topper, guys, okay, but still, bec- still there is something. I was able to score the marks and all, but practically, computer science is all about programming, right? Had a feeling because of this fear of programming. I had a feeling in myself that you are not worth it. Okay. I was, because of this internal feeling I used to have, kind of afraid of jobs. Okay. Internal, I can say I'm afraid of jobs, and I'm reluctant. I'm not interested in cracking the jobs. I don't want to give my best actually. I'm not giving the best actually in the job market. I used to fail and come home. Okay. I was unable to crack the jobs because there is a feeling that is stopping me. These IT jobs are not for you because you are not good with programming. Okay, what happened? That's all. That's all. Fine. This is the story. So you are not worth it kind of feeling. I missed all my jobs, guys. Okay, whatever the opportunities I was getting, I missed everything. Okay, it's 4 years. I think last semester these openings were there. From my college itself, they are providing 3.5 years. I'm in this feeling of fear of programming. And next point 5 years, I was attending the job, but because of this internal fear of programming saying that you are not worth it, lost. I did crack any job. I was ideal. I was ideal. All my friends were clearing the jobs, but I was not. All because of the simple item that is the fear of programming. You are not worth it feeling because I am having a fear towards the programming. Then what I did? Social pressure started, guys. Okay, at home, the kind of social pressure has started. Social pressure, like, okay, padose, what you call it in Hindi. I'm not good at Hindi, but I'm trying to use this word because I like that. Okay, padose. Okay, so neighbors, maybe. Okay, those people, they are getting jobs and they are inviting me. I don't know why. They want to, celebrate their victory with me. Okay, but I'm also there in the rat race, right? To get the job and all. Okay, they are not realizing that, but they are, to celebrate themselves. They are asking me to come to their home, and before other people, they used to say that we got a job. Okay, the discussions used to happen. Okay, but ultimately, I'm all going through the certification because the fear of programming again. Then Because of the social pressure, again, this is not the only one person, right? I'm not the only person having this social pressure, but the pressure will start on our parents also. Everyone is getting jobs, and my son is not getting the job. Okay, it went there. The problem went there, and directly or indirectly, because of this, emotional things happen, right? I'm again getting another additional pressure from my parents too. That's a good thing because parents always think about us, right? Okay. So social will be there. Social again will go to parents. Parents will have expectations again, kind of pressure because you have scored very well. You are the topper in your college, but still you are unable to get a job. So much of problems this kind of simple thing is causing in our lives, right? Then to escape the drama that is happening around me, instead of keeping idle, I travel to, I stay in Hyderabad, guys, okay? I'm from Hyderabad. And at that time, not even in Hyderabad, my hometown, the place is known as Kamareddy. This is a city, you can say. Currently, it is a district, but earlier it was a city. Okay, I used to stay in Kamareddy with my parents and all. The pressure used to be there, social pressure and parents' pressure used to be there. To overcome that pressure, to get out of the pressure, I just traveled to Hyderabad first. I stayed here for maybe 1 month. I was not getting this many number of job opportunities. From Hyderabad, I traveled to Bangalore. Okay, from Hyderabad. Even I was not able to escape this pressure in Hyderabad. Then I traveled to Bangalore. I just stood in Bangalore, just stayed in Bangalore for just 15 days only. The duration was like not more than 15 to 30 days max. Okay. I was there in Bangalore for 15 to 30 days. But the environment, I liked it, guys. Okay. The Bangalore environment, I liked it. Okay. Everyone used to be busy. Everyone used to try, apply for the jobs. Okay. They keep on, they were very busy. I joined a room, a kind of hostel or room, whatever you say. Okay, with my connections nearby, I just got to know and joined a room. And here, in this two rooms, I guess there used to be like 10 to 15 people staying in just two rooms, adjusting in two rooms. Okay, everyone is all about jobs, jobs, jobs kind of mindset. Fine. So what happened is traveling to Bangalore didn't help me, but something helped me at Bangalore that helped me in overcoming the fear of this programming. What is that something? That something is nothing but there was some dummy desktop machine was there in this particular one of the room of this okay, wherever I stayed. I am not getting any job calls, and there is a machine. And along with me, just to overcome this fear of programming, I carried one book, guys, with me. I carried one book with me. The name of the book is Let Us See by Yashwant Tanitkar. This book has changed my life, basically. Okay. This is the first step that has made me overcome the fear of programming. Okay. I felt like, okay, why didn't I come across this book during my engineering days itself so that I would have cracked the job there itself? It would have actually broken the fear of programming in myself and got ready for the job, made me job ready before the job calls happened. But time has passed away. Things were very dull. Market is dull. I mean, I'm not getting job calls somehow. I have to travel here and there looking for jobs, no solution. Bangalore, like fortunately, I was lucky. I got a desktop machine. With me, there was a book somehow. Let us see. Kind of book by Yashwant Kanitkar on C language programming. So everyone used to be very busy, guys. They used to go out of this. I was the only person who used to stay in this room alone. I didn't know what to do. And in this the particular desktop machine, no distractions were there. Okay, a very basic interface used to be there. I took this book, started practicing C language on this with the help of this book. I completed gaining knowledge at same time. I completed gaining knowledge, and at same time, I did all my exercises. Each and every exercise, very difficult exercises, right? because of the situations and social pressures and all, okay, I was able to focus well without any distraction. Just I focused on, okay, let me complete this book. I was there in Bangalore for 30 days and I was practicing this for 15 days. Okay, 15 days it completed, guys. Let us see book, full dedication. Just in 15 days, I was able to complete this book from starting to ending. Each and every small exercise, also very complex exercises were there that I was not able to. Okay, if you directly give that problem to me earlier without me going to this book, I'll be very afraid of. But what happened is the kind of way this particular person has taught me in learning C language in a practical way, step by step, exercise by exercise, that made me crack that complex level. And I completed this book. Now, suddenly what happened? Fear of programming gone, guys. Fear of programming has gone. At this step only, the fear of programming has gone. Just with this 15 days of time, it has gone. 4 years, it's there. Suddenly, just in 15 days, full dedication with this C language book I completed, this fear towards the programming has gone. Fine, I started attending the interviews again. Slowly, I started getting the jobs. Now I am not having that fear of programming. I took every job. Some interviews I lost. Some interviews, I was able to write the programs and very well because of the confidence I got by doing this book. And then, I was able to attempt. And after maybe 6 months or something, guys, okay, by the time I complete my 4 years at college, because 3.5 years and last point 5 years, the some Viva and all those things will be there. During that period, I was attending the interviews and I was able to crack by the time I reached 4 years. Done, completed. So I cracked the job, guys. But the story has got ended. What happened after I cracked the job? They have put me on a project. They have put me on a project where automation testing is not there. Automation testing is not there. Though I am ready for programming, I am ever ready kind of now. Okay, I am very good in programming. Now give what through whatever you want at me. I'm ready to, but I was put into a project known as manual testing project only. Guys, is the story interesting so far? I want to be you to be active, so let's interact in between sometimes because the story becomes very long. You may get deviated. Type I or Y, whatever you feel, the chat box if it is interesting and if you want me to continue further. Yes, everyone's story is like this only, right? Type I or Y, guys. Okay. Yes. Yes, also is fine. Single letter. More interaction I want, guys. Chat. In the chat, I want everyone to, you know, type yes, guys. Okay. I want everyone to be participating in this chat thing. Keep typing Y, then only I can proceed further. I want most of the people to type Y or I. Till more replies I want. Interesting. Y, yes, anything you can type. I can proceed further. Okay. Okay, great, great, great. So let me continue. So what happened afterwards? I was put into manual testing. So that happens with a lot of people, right? So I was doing very hard work, good hard work and all. Still, people around me were somehow moving and getting an opportunity into the projects which have automation testing, and I was not the one. Then, after 2 years, guys, okay, after like 2 to 3 years, I guess, still I am into manual testing. Then I got a feeling this is not right. This is not right. I'm not getting an opportunity in the company to work on automation part. Then how can I? Then how can I, get into this automation again? It's been long time, right? 2 3 years back, 2 3 years back, I got a confidence in programming with let us C and all. Okay, C programming and all. I got a confidence towards programming and all those stuff. But later, what happened? I joined a company where I was not put into the automation project. That's good actually. Still good only. I got a project. I'm working on a project. I should give best. Okay. I'm not saying my hard work is going is went into the vein and all those stuff. Okay. Manual testing is also good because as a tester, I have to do both manual and automation, whatever that comes to my plate. But I was lacking, right? I was lacking in automation testing. I have a kind of this feeling in my mind that okay, good that I would have been put into a project where automation testing used will be there kind of stuff. But internally again, because of the gap, again that fear of programming came into picture. Fear of programming because I forgot everything, guys. Okay, because I forgot everything. Because I forgot everything about programming and all. Because fully focused on doing lot of hard work into manual testing and all. Okay, the programming fear again came because I lost the touch. I lost the touch with programming. Okay, then what I did one day, whether the opportunity will come or not. Okay, whether the opportunity will come or not in my company for me to move into automation, I at least felt that let's be ready for automation. How? Let's not wait for the situation to come where the company will offer me a project where automation testing I have to do. Not like that. So what I did is let me learn by myself. The initiative started where let me learn by myself. Then I started learning. Even I don't know that for Selenium automation, I need to learn Java programming or whether I have to learn Java or JavaScript, I don't know. Okay. That kind of level I was in the beginning. Later I came to know that Java is the best one. Okay. I don't have to learn JavaScript initially, but I have to start with Java. I came to know what are the different prerequisites that are required for learning this Selenium automation. One of the major one was Java, right? So I started, you know, again with Java, but again that fear of programming was there. Fear of programming was there, which has not, initially it, I face a lot of resistance here, guys. Okay, I face a lot of resistance here to learn Java. Okay, I started because of that, I was not in. I studied Java long back in during the engineering days, and a lot of gap has come. I has to brush up myself in Java. That's what I felt. I started, but a lot of resistance is coming in terms of programming. But the only thing that I have to tell you here is what made me learn Java in that way. It took me more time, but that's okay. At that time, the resources were very less. YouTube was not that good. Okay, only from books. I brought a book on Java, and I made sure that no matter what, I'll complete this book. No matter how complex the things will be, doesn't matter. I'll keep on fighting. This is what is really required if you want to break the fear of programming. It will give you hurdles will come, guys. Okay, during to learn something like that and to overcome the fear, the hurdles will come definitely. You will lose somewhere. Again, you have to break it. Have to again you have to fight back. Again, you have to fight back. Again, you have to fight back. Again, you have to fight back. No matter how many number of times. That's the only way, guys. Okay. There's no shortcut. There is no bullet point here. From my story, I can tell you that the only reason I became good with Java programming is that I had never gave up. What is that thing? It's not about complexity, guys. Okay. I never gave up. It's very simple, guys. Okay. If you never give up, it will become very simple for you. You'll face some challenges. Come back. Again, fight it back. Again, you will face challenges. Again, fight back. No matter what, you have to keep hitting it, hitting it, hitting it. You see, there is a rock before you. Programming is something like this only. Let's say there is a rock before you, very difficult, very, hard one, and you are just standing before it. You don't know whether you will be able to break it or not. Okay. Now you have a hammer with you. There is a hammer with you, kind of hammer. Okay, and you have to keep hitting this rock. It is very big in size, and it looks very complex to break it. And you started hitting it. Initially, you will see dots only, small dots. Okay, no matter how hard you hit, only small dots will be visible on this rock. But hit, it will take 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 7 days, 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 4 week, 1 month, 2 month, 3 month. But at one day, a small crack will come because which the entire rock will broken down. That's what is the strategy you have to follow to break the fear of programming, to learn Java programming for Selenium automation. Don't expect the things will happen in day one. Hit. That's it. Okay? But let me tell you, I can make your journey more easier because I found out a way. Okay? I found out a way where, you know, instead of you hit this one 1,000 times, I'll just make sure that in 100 or 200 times itself you can overcome this problem. Still, you have to hit the rock. But with my help, you can, instead of doing 1,000 hits, you can do just 100 or 200 and, overcome the fear of programming. What is that? You see, you don't have to reinvent the wheel, right? You don't have to reinvent the wheel. I already have invented the wheel where using which with just 100 or 200 hits instead of 1,000 hits, you can break the fear of programming. What is that way? It's very simple, guys. Okay, the way is very simple. Already, I found a proper way of learning Java, guys. Okay, I found the proper way to learn Java programming in a step-by-step manner. That way already invented. Why you have to again break the rock 1,000 times to invent it again? Already the wheel is invented. Why you want to invent the wheel? So here I'm not selling anything, guys. Okay, you may have a sales kind of feeling from my side, but I'm not going to sell anything. Okay, I'm not going to sell anything. I'm just guiding you only. Okay, still. So, so what way you can overcome this problem then? What is that kind of thing I have invented using which you can just only hit 100 or 200 times to break this rock instead of 1,000 times? Is that good or not, guys? Okay. What do you feel, guys? Is it good or not? If you can break the rock in just 100 or 200 instead of 1,000, will I be making your journey easier? Again, I'm saying I'm not selling anything here. Just these are very genuine webinars. Okay. Whatever the webinars we are giving are from our heart, very genuine. Okay. So we are not trying to sell anything here. Just be interactive here. I'm not selling anything. Just be with. Just for the webinar sake, we are attending. And I'm at the end of the webinar, you should get some benefit out of it. That's it. That's what I'm trying to plan. Will that be good? If someone has invented the wheel and you can utilize it to break that program here in less time instead of taking long time. I used to take years to break this. 1,000 hits means it would have taken 1 or 2 years of time. But guidance, with my guidance that I'm going to provide after this, okay, during this webinar, you will be able to just give less effort in just 100 or 200 strikes. You can overcome the fear of programming. What is that? What is that? Are you guys curious to know what is that? Type C in the chat. It's free, guys. You don't have to pay any amount. Okay, it's free. I'm going to give that for you for free. Just type curious if you want to find out what is that thing. Yeah, that you have to type C if you're curious. Great. Good number of C's. I want more C's. Type C. See, guys. Okay, type C in the chat. I want everyone to participate. Yeah, C. Fine. Great. Okay, very simple, guys. That is not a big thing. Okay, so I'll just show you what is that thing that you have to do next. If you are really afraid of programming and because of which you are unable to learn Selenium Java Automation, I want you guys to go to my YouTube channel that I'm opening it for you. Okay, I made it open source already. Okay, it's there. The resource is already there. You guys are not utilizing it. I'm going to show you the path right away. Let the page load. I'll show you. Two-step formula, guys. Okay, just 2 steps only. What you have to do? Just have to go with 2 or 3 steps max. What are the 3 steps I'll tell you here? First step, step one. What is step one? Java knowledge, Java programming knowledge. That's the first step. Step two, practice programs. Practice programs. Step three. Step three is what? Step three is Java programming knowledge, practice programs. Third one is interview questions. Okay, preparing from interview questions. These three are the three things you have to follow. This is a blueprint, guys, for you guys to break the programming and get confident. Okay, this is just the blueprint. Okay, so already have invented the wheel. I said in the terms of sharing the knowledge. I already shared this knowledge, guys. Step one, I'm going to show you. As you can see here in the playlist section, I'll take you to the playlist that I'm talking about. Step by step, you have to learn. Okay, step by step, you have to learn, guys. Okay, so so let me find out that playlist first. One minute. Yeah, this is a playlist, guys. Okay, core Java full course. So if you will be able to determine yourself, okay, if you can determine yourself to go through this core Java full course playlist, which is available for you guys for free. Imagine, guys, why it's slow. Maybe the meetings and all. Let me close this mind map. It's taking a lot of resources of my machine. Yeah, let's see. Now it came. That means it was taking a lot of memory. Guys, can you see the core Java full course? This is not a simple course, guys. This is a full course. The proper path or way or the direction in which the step by step way you can learn Java by yourself by just by following this YouTube playlist. That is core Java full course playlist. Okay. Just by following this playlist, you will become a master in Java, guys. Already I have invented a way. You don't have to create a new way. Just follow the way I have already created. If you are afraid of programming, start with the say part one, part two like that. Okay. What happens once you complete this 276 videos? Of course, they are of less size. Duration is 7 minutes, 10 minutes here and there. If you can complete this 276 videos, you will be at the next level in Java programming for sure. There may be some challenges coming still, even though you don't have to hit 1,000 hits. Just hit only 100 or 200 hits. Give only 100 or 200. Okay. Here still you have to do the hitting. But I try to make your journey as easy as possible. Okay, you don't have to refer any books. You don't have to do anything. Just follow this playlist. You are good to go. So easy, guys. I made the things so easy, systematic. The concept I followed is very simple. While learning Java, first I made you guys learn ABCDs of Java. ABCDs I will teach you first. After that only you have to create words. Explain after explaining how to write ABCDs. I then explain how to write words. Then how to form sentences. How to form sentences using these words. The next chapter. Understand that the way I taught this Java is something like this. ABCD. Then no confusions, no difficulties, nothing. I made the journey so easy in such a way that first you will be learning ABCDs. Then with the help of ABCDs, you will be creating the words. Okay. Then sentences you will create. Sentences you will create. After sentences, you will write paragraphs. After paragraphs, you will write pages. After pages, you will write chapters. After chapters, you will write book. After book also, you can write books also. Number of books. Okay. This is the way to learn Java, guys. Okay. This is the way to learn Java. This is the only way to learn Java. These days, when you attend a Selenium interview, they will ask a lot of Java questions. It's good, it's better that you learn Java in this manner. First learn ABCDs, then words, then sentences, then paras, pages, chapters, books, and so on. Then after this, you have to practice. Okay? The first playlist. This is the first playlist you have to follow. And after this playlist, what is the other one you have to do? Second playlist I'll share you. The first playlist, guys. Okay, this is the first playlist. Okay. In the Telegram group, whatever the group you got the information from, right? I'll share these links. Okay. After the webinar, I'll share these links under that recording of the webinar. I'll share this YouTube playlist. Step one link. The next one is 1 minute. Let me see what internet it has. Okay, that's good only. Because of multiple meetings going on, it will happen. I'm using one, Google Meet for interacting with you guys and Zoom meeting for recording the video. Because of which it's, making my system slow. Otherwise, my system will be fast. That's okay. Let's wait for the playlist to come. Yeah, good to know that you guys are watching my videos daily, but this session is all about for the people who want to break that fear of programming, guys. Okay, I want to guide them. I want to give guidance. Okay, I felt like this webinar will be one tool or something using which I can guide the people because people may not know. Okay, still after going through all these videos and all, they may be afraid of programming, maybe. But how to clear that fear of programming is something I wanted to do. So I am taking you through that path. Even you can do something like this, guys. Okay, you can go to my website, guys. Even you can go to my website. Let's see how much time it will take. Even this is taking, system is slow bit because of the multiple meetings running. Yeah, at least it has opened. You see, this is the first one that I have given you the link. Okay, you can even go to my website and find the details here. Basic technology for testers. Core Java made easy, full course. It will contain 276 videos that you have to complete first. Next step is that you have to go to the next item, that is 150 Java programs. You have to practice these 150 Java programs. Without you practice and the programs, you will not get confidence. You will not overcome the fear of programming. Behind this, you have to think. Behind 150 programs, you have to think. Okay. Next step is 150 Java programs. Okay, it's kind of slow. Okay, 150 Java programs. It's slowly opening. That's okay. And third is interview questions, guys. Okay, we are still in the process of creating Java interview questions. You will soon in our YouTube channel. Maybe from starting from Monday, you will see we posting Java interview questions also. Okay, that is the third step. Anyhow, you have the time to first complete Java program, knowledge, gaining knowledge on Java with practical only. Here also practical only. But here 150 Java programs will change your mindset and will take out the fear. Just hit 100 or 200 hits, 100 to 200 hits based on the personality will do. Some people may hit only 100 times. Some people have to hit 150 times. Some people have to hit 200 times. Why do it? You see, when you go into the boxing thing, okay, initially you may hit less. Slowly, you'll start hitting more. Hit, and there is a possibility that you may win the match. Same thing. Other opponent here is before you is Java, guys. You have to hit the Java like anything. Hit. What happens? Once you keep hitting, what happens? Slowly you will get the control. You may be able to hit more better way, more stronger you will be able to hit. That's how you have to break that fear of Java and learn Java. Okay. Initially it may be challenging, but I told you right, from 1,000 hits, I just made it to 100 to 200 hits only. Already I've already created a roadmap for you. This Java core Java full course, Java programs, 150 Java programs for interviews. There are 150 programs. Practice these programs from simple to advanced. I covered everything with video answers I created here. Okay. Even though you are not able to find the solution by yourself, you can go through the videos and understand how I am thinking and how I am writing the programs before you. With that also, you will be able to crack the programs and get the confidence in programming. And third part is the interviews that we are currently working, guys. Okay. I don't have that. interview questions ready with me, but starting from Monday, we are actually planning to post Java interview questions. That is the third check. If you can complete these three steps, good to go. That's it, guys. This is how we have to break the fear of programming. This is a plan from me to break the fear of programming. And apart from this, guys, okay, apart from all these things, if you still feel that if you are the one, I let's say most of the people are here saying that okay, yeah, YouTube will be enough. Whatever the Arun has given, the three links or knowledge gaining. Second is programs, 150 Java programs, and third is interview questions. Okay, if not in my channel, you can get anywhere in other channels and other websites and chat GPT, etc., etc. You can prepare from that. That's not problem. But we are also doing from Monday. We'll try to post answers for Java, various Java interview questions starting from Monday. Okay, that you can treat it as a third step. You see, apart from this, still you feel that okay, let's have a live interaction with me, and then get more advantage or clear my doubts more closely and all. Then only are you can join my live trainings that are happening at QFox. Okay, I'm offering everything for free, but still, if you feel that okay, I want to personalize sessions, I want a lot of interactions, I want to clear my doubts on everything. Kind of feeling if you have, then only join my live trainings, guys. Otherwise, it's not required at all. Okay, my live trainings will be updated in the Telegram group. Okay, so if you feel that still this is not enough, I am the kind of person who need live interaction. I want to clear my doubts on a daily basis. Okay, not just the content, but I want to clear my doubts on a daily basis. Then come to the live trainings, guys. Okay, otherwise you don't have to come. Okay, doors are only open for the people who want to interact with me on a daily basis when trainings are there. At the end of the trainings, I am giving Apple 30 minutes of time for the people to discuss with me. Okay. Anyone can ask doubts. I am actually waiting for everyone to ask the doubts and then only they are leaving the meeting. Once their doubts are clear, they are leaving the meeting. Such kind of interaction you want, come to the live trainings. Along with teaching, along with training, you will also get your doubts clear. But otherwise, if you feel that okay, my YouTube content is done and the blueprint I have shown is fine, you can follow my YouTube videos. That's all good for you. Okay. Whatever the path you choose, based on that, you decide and act accordingly. If you want any information about my live trainings and all, Telegram group is the one, guys. Okay, and you can also reach out to my team who are arranging this for me because I'll be busy in trainings and all. So that marketing team or whatever the team you say are taking care of these activities. You can reach. I'll just share them in the chat. Okay, you see these are the details you have to. These are the details I'll share with you. You guys have to approach these people and they will help you out in what to do and all. Okay, fine. So this is the plan, guys. So that's all from my end. Okay, I tried to explain the planning and what happened in my life and how I overcome that big fear of programming and I also gave a blueprint where with just instead of hitting 1,000 times with 100 or 200 hits, you can overcome that fear. Okay, but hitting is compulsory, guys. Okay, you have to hit. So for Java programming, the above things are there. If you want for both manual and automation, which playlist if you want, I'll tell you. The site is slow, but you see, you can see the website, right? You can go here. I cannot click it for you. So this is for manual testing. Okay, software testing course live project. Full course is there, guys. Okay, I don't hide anything. All my content is open. Full courses will be there. So software testing course live project is the for manual testing. Okay, after this, I have three courses also in Selenium Java Automation. I have three courses, guys. You see, everything is for free only, openly free. Okay. So this one you prepare, core Java full course, 150 Java programs you prepare, interview questions that is going to come. I'll update later. That you have to prepare from Monday. It will start. And apart from that, Selenium Java Automation, three courses are there. You see, if you want to complete in 30 days, go with a crash course. If you don't have time, I want to finish my Java, Selenium Java learning in just 30 days, go with this crash course. Or you may have a feeling that I have a lot of time. Okay. I have some reasonable time. Let's say I have a lot of time. Lot of time means I can even spend 6 months or 4 to 6 months on learning Selenium Java. Then you can go with this one, second one. Or you say that, okay, I don't have, I just have 2 months. Okay, I don't, like 30 days is too, it will become very fast, right? So I want to learn it at next level. If you feel that I have 2 months of time or 2.5 months of time, then you can go with this one. Okay. This one for 1 month, within 1 month, you can finish Selenium Java, including Java, guys. I'm saying not only Selenium, including Java is there. Here, this one also, including everything in advanced level, in complete knowledge level. This will take 4 months of time. This will take 2 months of time. Anything you can choose. I'm not in your, some people want to complete it 1 month. They can go with this. Some people say that, okay, let's not 1 month, 2 months is fine, reasonably good. 2 months. Oh, I have a lot of time. 4 months. Go with this. Okay, for manual testing, this one. For Java programming, this one. And on the top of that, interview questions are there. Software testing interview questions and answers here also. Selenium Java interview questions and answers are there. You can also learn them. Very extensive level of videos are given to you. Even Java will come here from Monday. So this one, and Java interview questions you can practice. Okay, on a regular basis you have to do. While you are attending the interviews, you have to practice them because this will take a lot of time. Okay, it's an ongoing thing, right? Interviews is an ongoing thing. While you're attending the interviews, keep learning them, okay, in the background. Don't keep a deadline and then attend the interviews. First, parallelly, you learn the interview questions and answers and attend the interviews. While you're attending the interviews, keep on learning many interview questions. That's the plan. All good? So this is a simple website you can go. Index page is there where everything is available for you. Okay? Everything is there. Manual testing, automation testing, Selenium Java, and Java, core Java. To overcome the fear of programming, this part. And in every section, we have interview questions, interview questions. The interview questions are going to come. I'll paste that link of my website in the chat. Okay. I'm a manual tester and would like to learn Tosca. Is it good in the market? Don't worry about good or bad. First thing is that, first thing is that you have to learn one automation tool. I recommend you everyone to learn Selenium Java as an automation thing. After that, you learn any tool XYZ, doesn't matter. Tosca, Cypress, okay, Playwright. Many automation tools are there in the market, guys. Okay, they have their own, plus and minus. They can be added as an additional tools that but don't run around, behind tools. The basic ones are manual testing, Selenium Java automation. After that, you learn anything, whatever you want. No one is there to, stop you. But don't directly jump to Tosca, Cypress, and all those stuff. Okay. Clear, Maheshwara? You asked me this question, right? Would like to learn Tosca. Is it good in the market? Every tool is good in the market. Okay. But the thing is, you are not going in a right way. First, you have to learn manual, then automation, core Java. After all these things are good, then hit anything. Even you can learn Selenium Java Python, Selenium Java in C Sharp. But first complete manual, Selenium in one programming language, say you have to be good. So Java you complete. After you are good with Selenium Java with Selenium automation with Java, then you can even switch to Python, C Sharp, Ruby, etc., etc. And you can even go to Tosca and all those stuff. SQL, SQL or SQL is required for testers, or it is required. It is required. Okay. You can also learn SQL also. Okay. You have to learn SQL also because in the interviews they will ask you for sure. You see, for manual tester, web technologies are required, guys. Okay. So basic web technologies we have are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL. All these web technologies everyone has to learn. All are there on my website, guys. You can learn from my website. Let's say HTML you want. Somewhere it will be, guys. Okay. Control F, HTML. HTML full course is there. Okay. Let's say JavaScript you have to learn. JavaScript you can learn. In HTML only CSS is there. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL. Okay, you see, all basic technologies are there here. You can learn all these things based on your time and all. Okay, learning is an ongoing thing, guys. Okay, learning is an ongoing thing. When you are attending the interviews, start learning SQL, HTML, XML, JavaScript, all web technologies. Okay, initially you have to learn manual testing. Any of these three courses, opt any of this based on your timeline, 30 days or 2 months or 4 months. Okay. After and along with that, you learn core Java full course, 150 Java programs, and then interview questions. You start while you are attending the interviews. Software testing interview questions, Selenium Java interview questions, Java interview questions, and along with that, learn these web technologies like HTML full course, XML full course, JavaScript full course, SQL, and any other programming languages like Python, C Sharp, Linux commands, etc., etc., etc. Okay, you can keep on adding, and after that, you can add as many number of courses as you want: Cypress, Tosca, Playwright, Test Complete, UFT. Okay, many tools are there. You can add hundreds of tools also, no problem. You can keep learning. If you complete this first phase, automatically in very less time you can complete all the tools, guys. Okay, it's not that much difficult. Clear with the plan? Yeah, I gave you right. This is a playlist in my channel. This is a playlist. If you click here, it will take you to my channel only. You see, it is taking you to my software testing playlist channel. Full course is there. Okay. Yes. Veeramallu, Varna Malika. Yes, I told you right. The answer is given. Manual testing course is also available. Okay. Just check my qfox.com website, guys. Okay. Already I gave the link of my website here, qfox.com. Just go through that. SQL is required. I answered it. HTML, CSS enough. From my website, it's more than enough. Okay. Don't have to be an expert in HTML, CSS. Whatever I am training you guys on my website and all, that will be more than enough. Yeah, if you have already started Selenium with Python, you complete it, then but better you start with Selenium Java, then go to Python. But if it's already started, I can't do anything. You can complete Selenium Python, then come to Selenium Java. Even you can go for Selenium C Sharp also, so Suraj. Okay. Then what is the scope of automation in future? Most of the persons are moved to DevOps or other tools. Why they have moved? Because of the fear. They don't know even. You ask them why they have moved. They don't have, they are afraid of the things. Okay, why they have moved, we don't know. DevOps is a different field altogether. Software, it's not come, it will not come under software testing. But I don't say you should not learn also. You can learn DevOps also, still be a software tester also. Software tester with DevOps knowledge, that's okay. Still, you don't have to jump the technology and all, because usually automation is going off. It's not like that, guys. Okay, we don't have enough data for that. Automation feature is still there. Software testing is there. Automation testing is there. Why to go to DevOps? You can even go to security testing, right? If you stay in software testing, you can go for security testing or performance testing. Why to change the field entirely? But I'm not saying you should not learn DevOps. You can even still learn DevOps because it will be an added advantage for you. Tester having a lot of knowledge is always good. Okay, DevOps knowledge is also good. Harish, is it clear for you? Yeah. Don't be afraid of, guys. Okay, software testing is going not going to go anywhere. Okay, if it's going to go, other technologies also will go. Okay, unnecessarily people are creating kind of tension, kind of feeling. You see, things are overrated somewhere. Now DevOps is overrated. Earlier DevOps was very limited. People were there. Now everyone is jumping into DevOps. That is overrated. It's very difficult to get a job in DevOps now because it's highly overrated. Data science is overrated, right? Machine learning is overrated now. All these technologies people are overrating. They are cashing your fear. Okay, they are cashing your fear, guys. Okay, okay, these jobs are going off. Come, come, come. We'll teach you data science. We'll teach you machine learning, AI testing, all those stuff. They are catching your fear. That's the thing I can say here. Okay. Yes, yes. That's what is the problem, guys. Okay, people are catching your fear. Be mindful, guys. Be mindful. Are those statements real or not? Maybe instantly the few people who went into DevOps may get survived and got jobs. Now, is it possible for you to get a job in DevOps in this moment when the job market is dull and when the DevOps is overrated? Is it possible for you to get a job in DevOps? Tell me, guys. Is it so easy? You will learn DevOps now. If I say yes, DevOps is good, you'll go ahead. learn DevOps. But is it easy to get a job in DevOps now? A lot of competition is there, but because it's overrated, high demand. We are like sheep kind of people. When wherever people go, we just go with them. Okay, that's what is happening. Rather learn security, rather run performance testing, guys. Okay, a lot of things are in software testing, or you become SDET. SDET is like you will do testing, you will do programming also, developer plus testing. If you are in that direction, why to change company to development? You can become, you can choose an or opt a SDET role. You can opt an SDET role. A lot of ways are there. You are not inventing ways in software testing field. Rather, you are finding out about other stuff and going outside. Okay. Earlier, I used to get before DevOps, there used to be other thing, guys. Okay, so some what is the tool automation thing only, next level automation that it will even automate whatever the day to test task it will do. Yeah, sure. We'll plan SDET related stuff also in the coming days. SDET is nothing. You have to learn technology plus testing, both development test testing. Okay, in all the ways, APIs and all those stuff. That direction is nothing but people keep a word like SDET just to even marketing purpose, guys. Okay, if you say SDET training is going on, everyone will join. Okay, if I say normal manual automation is going on, no one is joining. If you say SDET, everyone is joining. Why? Because they're afraid. Again, same thing. SDET is nothing. You are learning. So if I add API testing into my courses, it will become SDET simple words. That's it. Programming is anyhow there, Java programming. Manual testing, anyhow, I'm teaching in my live trainings. Automation testing, anyhow, I'm teaching in my live training. Along with that, I'll simply add API and API automation. It becomes SDET. That's it. There's no meaning for SDET basically. You see, Salesforce, manual, it's all additional guys, okay? Game testing is there, database testing is there, many varieties of testings are there. These are added advantages. You have to add more of this kind of skills to our resume. We should not stop with just manual automation, like that. After that, also, you have to keep a lot of programming languages you have to add to your resume as a skill set. You have to add a lot of tools that are popular running in the market like Tosca, Cypress, etc. Into your resume. And along with it, you have to add different type of testing like security testing, performance testing, database testing, Salesforce testing, and so on, so on, so on. The list is endless. I'll share you one link, guys, where you using which you guys can get an idea how to plan your career because a lot of people are asking me this question, right? I'll just share that link with you. I'm sharing a plan with you. You can get this link from here also. Since people are asking me, in my channel, JMeter videos are not there, but I recommend one channel. Okay, I can recommend a channel, guys. Okay, so Namachivayam is there. Namachivayam. Just give me a second. Namachivaya Vayam performance testing. Let's see how much time it will take. Yeah, this is the person. Naveen Kumar Namachivayam. Let me find his channel. 1 minute. Namachivayam. Naveen. Naveen Kumar Namachivayam. This is very good for performance testing, security testing. We are planning content in our YouTube channel only. In some time it will come, guys. Okay. This channel you have to follow, guys. Okay. This channel is very good, open source, lot of free content on JMeter and everything is there. So let me paste that in the chat box. Done. To start with Selenium with Java is best. Later you go with Cypress, JavaScript, anything you want. Okay, Harish, you're asking me Selenium with Java versus Cypress. I recommend everyone, every beginner should start with without Java. You should not go for Cypress JavaScript. First, complete Selenium with Java, then go for Cypress JavaScript, etc., etc. Okay, clear, Harish? If you're already working in Cyprus, then it's okay for job change with Cyprus profile or better. Not like that. If you're already working, no, you can use that. Okay. If you ask me the proper way of working, start with Selenium Java. Okay. And then go for Cyprus. If you're already working, there is nothing you can do, right? That's already there for you. Okay. But if someone doesn't have any requirement for working with Cypress, they will go with Selenium Java first, then they will come to Cypress. Everything is good for long term. There's nothing like this tool is good for long term, that tool is good for long term. Even manual testing is good for long term. You should acquire all the skills and keep it. Okay? Oh, not a single thing is good. If you focus on a single thing, that is not good at all. Manual, automation, SQL, everything, database testing, security testing, performance testing, Cypress, everything you have to keep on learning and adding. Don't worry about long term, long term, long term. Long term, it is there always. Okay. Yeah, they're asking these days mandatory thing is API also. API automation or at least API testing is mandatory. So if you learn Selenium Java automation, API automation is nothing. APM also works in the same way, right? Small differences will be there. But if you are able to crack Selenium Java automation, API is also good. But first thing you have to learn manual, then Selenium Java automation, then APM. Like that you have to go. Okay? APM automation, then rest assured framework. Like that you have to keep on adding. Everything has demand. Again, I'm saying don't worry, don't run behind the demand. You have to acquire the skills, overcome that mindset. Arpita, you have to overcome that mindset of learning whatever that is having the demand. That's not the correct way. Okay, that's not the correct way. You have to acquire all the skills. You have to acquire all the skills and add them to your resume and be an all-rounder and ready for whatever the task that will come to your plate in your company to work on. That's how you have to work. But just going behind something is popular and just completing that doesn't work out. Okay. First, you have to establish the basic pillars. Automation QA is regular. Regular automation. Can you elaborate what? DevOps is like the person software tester only who has a knowledge of DevOps also. That's the only difference. Okay. Even developers can learn DevOps now. DevOps is developers plus operations. Okay. They will make the environments ready for our testing. At the same time, they can do the development. Testers also can do the same thing. QA ops. There was a term like QA ops earlier. Okay, so where you will perform testing at the same time you will be making sure of the environments also. You'll make the environments ready. Earlier there used to be separate teams like DevOps teams. Now the companies have become very smart that they're expecting a single person to do everything. Okay, software testers have to do development, software testers have to do testing, software testers have to do DevOps things and more. Okay, things are getting added like anything. So basic steps are first software testing manual, then Selenium Java automation, then keep adding whatever you want, Appium, REST assured, automation of APIs, then the secure testing, performance testing, DevOps QA, keep on going, keep on going. Yeah, that also will come. Jenkins pipeline configurations, deployments. Yeah, getting the environments ready means that only, right? That will come. Yes, correct. Anyhow, these basics of Jenkins and everything, pipelines and all will be there in normal Selenium automation also, but you'll be extensively learning in terms of DevOps. That's it. Basically, QA will know all this stuff, but a separate word has come like DevOps where you have to extensively learn it. That's it for your knowledge. Guys, now you can ask your questions directly. Don't have to ping in the chat. You can actually, come before the camera and you can do it if you want. I'll stop sharing my screen.
Hi.
Okay. So somebody is running maybe it's running in my machine, maybe. Yeah, I'll close this. Hope you got that link right. So I'll close this. Okay, fine, good. Yeah, guys, anyone want to come before me and talk to me? You can turn on your camera also. I encourage people to turn on their camera and overcome that fear of showing their face and all. If you are that kind of person, you can come before me. Yeah. Hi, Rajita. I cannot hear you, but maybe you can unmute yourself first and talk to me. Yeah, great. 2011. Okay. Yes, yes, right. Audible. Okay.
IT field.
Okay. Okay.
So I can manage that.
Okay. Yeah, you can definitely manage the course. No problem.
Okay.
Anyone can manage actually.
This is a completely free course.
You see, my YouTube content is completely free. I can give you the guidance there. Okay. Already I gave the guidance in this webinar, right? Like YouTube content step by step, how to follow and all. But still, after following that also, if you still feel that, okay, I'm the kind of person who need more doubts to be clarified, then only join my trainings. I'm not asking everyone to join my trainings, but there may be some people, right? They want to interact with me on a daily basis, right? For them only, it's paid. For them only, they have to attend my trainings, and that will be paid because I'll be giving my time, so much of time and all, right? That will be paid. But that also we are not charging much. You can join. So, but mainly if you're comfortable with YouTube and all, then fine also, no problem. Okay, 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 fine, fine. Zoom chat link mail. Okay, great, great. Yeah, no problem, no problem. Don't worry about that. You will get used to it. I told you, right? You have to hit the rock. Okay. So people have to hit 1,000 times, but I made it like just 200. I limited that to 100 or 200 times. Okay. So I'm trying to make your journey easier. That's what I can say because you don't have to go through. You'll, sure, sure. Fine. Great, great. Okay. Don't worry about that. You are here also, you are hitting the rock only. Okay, in English also, you have to keep because the main thing about English is that you have to focus more on whether you are able to communicate to the other person or not. Don't worry, don't focus on yourself whether that is good or bad. But when you're communicating, if the other person is understanding, that is all good. Okay, that is the actual reason of language and communication. Okay, no problem. You continue. Okay, sure, sure. Yes, yes. Performance testing. Performance testing. Yes. And also, I am giving my WhatsApp number in the chat, and you guys can ping me anytime. Not only you, but other people who are there in the meeting, right? They can ping me in the chat for anything. Okay, so for guidance and all, you guys can ping me. Like if you are lost in track somewhere, or if you are confused about go like this or go like that, I'll be there to help you out. Okay, what's the next or something? You can ask me out. Don't worry. I already provided in the chat. You can take it from there. Okay, in the WhatsApp, you can reach me out on this number. Okay. WhatsApp only, I'll say. Don't call me, but you have to WhatsApp me only. Okay. Then, yeah, that will be good for me. Okay. So because I'll be day-to-day trainings, lot of trainings take, right? So I'll not be available every time. Okay. So that's a problem. Yeah. All the best, Rajita. That's very good that you came forward before the camera and you started. That shows your passion and everything. Just yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, correct. You see, only place where I'm charging that to less amount is when people want to interact with me because that we cannot avoid. Okay, so but otherwise everything we are providing for free only. Okay, yeah. Yeah, welcome. Well, sure, sure. All the best, Rajita, and keep in touch. Okay, we'll be there to guide you and help you out. Okay, in every step. Great. All the best. Bye, bye. So, guys, any other people who want to come before like Rajita and talk to me, they can talk. This is the right time. Yeah, guys, people can come like Rajita before me, and they can talk. Okay. Thank you, Mali. I'll be there always to help you out. Okay, that's my main intention. Okay, so my main intention here is to help everyone achieving their solving their problems and help them in achieving the things that they want to do in their life and give appropriate guidance and all. Who want to talk next? Uh, yeah. Anyone want to talk next? First, they can raise their hands here. I'll just lower them every. If anyone want to talk, just first lower raise your hands. There's a hand option, right? You can. Yeah, Ananta, you want to talk? Okay, proceed, please. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay. Java, you are not good. Okay. So, hmm. Okay. 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 Why that next 20 minutes you are facing problem? Can I know more details? Okay, done, done. I'll give you the solution, Ananta, here. Okay. Let me give you the solution. So guys, things are, these days in interviews they're asking for Java programming and are expecting you guys to write the code. So what I suggest you, Ananta, is that you have to hit more. Whatever you are hitting, you already have hit on core Java, right? That's not enough, right? You have to hit more. Then how can you hit more? So you have to follow the 150 Java programs, okay, that I have given today. Try to complete them first. You will get to the next level. Even there is a way to go to the another level. That is, about algorithms and all. Uh, That's what you have to. You see, you have to. You have to keep practicing. That's what I can say. Where you are unable to do right, you have to take into place. So, in the way of solving complex programs, if you are limited to basic problems, just move to the complex programs. Okay, if the basic programs are not helping you out, just go to the complex programs. Okay, just go to the complex level. Algorithms. Try to solve different algorithm programs. Okay, yeah, try to take higher challenges because in interviews they may ask you some questions which are not even that will become very easy for you when you have the confidence of solving very big complex programs, right? You see, nowadays everyone has ChatGPT in their hand. You ask ChatGPT to provide some challenges in Java programs. Try to give me very big kind of challenging programs in Java and take that challenging things. If you already are aware of Java and Java programs and all, go to the next level. Why you're stopping there itself? You have to keep going to the next level, and there are a lot of things now, right? To solve everything, you have to keep on practicing. That's the only way. There is no solution. There is no XYZ steps here to break that thing. Okay. So you have to find out a way. The only way I can say here is like if you are at basic level, go to the mid level. If you are at the mid level, then go to the advanced level. If that is also not level, expert level you go. Who is stopping? No one is stopping, right? That's the only way to conquer the things. Okay, but our at QFox, what we do is that we will take you to the next level to whatever that is possible for us in our time. Okay, going days, right, we'll try to provide more content at our website where and we'll create content where the programming level also will be touch based. Okay, to the next levels and all. Keep watching us in our okay Telegram and all, where we'll post a lot of stuff going ahead. Okay, where because we are speaking to the people means we'll get a lot of feedback. Based on the feedbacks, we'll work on the next levels. Okay, we'll try to get into the algorithms and all, and try to boost your confidence. And one more thing I would like to talk about or inform about the interviews or explain about interviews is that there were times when I was there working as software tester and I want to switch my job. That was very difficult for me. Okay, because the reason that was I was afraid. Basically, some kind of fear was there, and because of which I used to stick to the same company for a long period of time. But what to do? What we can do here is we have to overcome that fear by practicing more. Okay, we have to overcome that fear by practicing more and doing something behind our reach. And when I came out of the company, now I'm a full-time trainer here. Okay, I'm a full-time trainer and content creator, so on YouTube, Udemy, and I'm training a lot of people. Live trainings I'm giving for a lot of people and all. Okay, I'm just changing everyone's life and all. I'm very happy at this moment and all. So if someone will come and offer me a job that I'm not interested in, just for the sake, if I attend the interview, I'll be able to crack the interview, guys. Just see, just with my words I'm able to crack the interview, because that kind of confidence I'm holding right now. But when I actually working a job, I was afraid of whether my job will be lost or not. Then my mind will be closed. My mind will get blocked like this. It will not be able to see what I have to do. But I'm at this level where I can suggest you clearly that you have to open the doors and don't be in the comfort zone anymore. Try to take up challenges, not just for programming. Anything in your life, you can do the same thing, apply the same thing. If you are afraid of waking up early in the morning, try to break it out. You'll be able to wake up. Just 2 or 3 days, it will be difficult. After a week, you'll see that okay, I'm very happy. I'm getting a lot of time for studying a lot of stuff before going to office. Everything you'll see. It's not just for programming. Programming is also one aspect in our life where try to break that. I can say that Ananta, you are in comfort zone a bit. Okay, that's stopping you. That nothing much. Just go behind the comfort zone and try to go to or accomplish the areas where try to reach out to the regions where you can solve complex problems with whatever the help that you're getting from the internet and all in YouTube channels and all. Try to go to the next level, register yourself in hacker rank and try to increase your rank there. Those are the ways. No one will learn ABCD. No one will learn everything in a single day, right? It will take some time. Okay, start planning from today, and going ahead you will be able to accomplish it. Okay, that problem you will be able to solve easily when you are out of the comfort zone. Clear? Yes, sir. Yeah, go with my words, you will be able to do it for sure. Okay, go with my words, you will be able to do it for sure. Okay, just go out of the comfort zone and try. Yeah. Don't. You see, that will happen in the interviews. In interviews, you cannot expect yourself to be an expert. Okay, outside you may be an expert, but in interviews, different people will demand different things that you may not know. That's okay also. It's not that out of 100 questions you get, I've answered 80 questions, still you are good only. Don't think that 20 questions I have not answered, I'm not good. Don't worry about that. You have to try the level best next time. That's the kind of mindset you should have. Okay, right? So it's not about just studying, improving our skills and all. It's all about our mindset also, guys. Try to improve your mindset. That will take you to the next level. Okay, you see, mindset thing is like comfort zone is one thing that you have to break, right? Comfort zone I cannot do is something that you have to break. I cannot do something is something you have to break. Okay, which is stopping you. You have to hit it like anything. Okay. And a lot of motivation you have to get behind the scenes and get it done. And interview fear, get rid of that. Okay, what's the use of having the fear? Because I used to have that, I can say that, but once you make yourself calm and just simply attend the interview just for the sake, whether I will get selected or not doesn't matter. If you have that kind of mindset, and you are only focusing on how much skill I am gaining, even after I lose the interview, if I am getting anything out of the interview, such mindset if you get, you are good. You'll prepare yourself for the next interview and simply attend that without any problems. You should not attach yourself emotionally to the interviews. Okay, this important lesson you have to learn. You should not attach yourself emotionally to the jobs and interviews and salaries that you are going to get. Skill set, how I am doing. That's it. Skill set, how I am doing. Go to the next one, next one, next one, next one. Don't worry, 100,000 interviews also you attended. Don't worry. Naturally, everything will happen over a period of time. Clear? Even the people who don't really need to attend the interviews can also attend the interviews because they won't be in the comfort zone and they will get to know what all they have to learn in their day-to-day lives. Clear? Fine. So I think I have answered your question, Ananta. Is that clear for you? What? All good, right? Your mindset is set now. You have to do it now. Okay. I want to hear a good story from you later. You just once everything works out, just connect with me again. Okay. You'll see. So who want to talk to me next? Arpita, you want to talk? Yeah. Hello, Arpita. Tell me. Okay. 2 years they will not expect much. Okay. 2 years they will not expect much. Behind 2 years, definitely they will expect. Okay. So if you can go 2 years means if nowadays everyone is competition is very high and all those stuff within the terms and all. I'm expecting you to do the automation of the scripts in your company. Okay, in your company if you are able to automate the scripts, that's all good. Apart from that, try to create the frameworks, one or two frameworks. It can be basic also. That is also enough. Okay, knowledge of Selenium, knowledge of automating the scripts and the next one is able to create at least one or two frameworks is more than enough for 2 years. Beyond that, you should, should increase your levels of creating better frameworks over a period of time. Okay, and your core Java knowledge should increase. Your, that kind of programming knowledge should increase over a period of time. That's what I can see for more years. But for 2 years, just knowledge, able to automate the scripts, able to create basic frameworks, one or two frameworks is good. Is that clear, Arpita? You want to know about what? SDET role. SDET role is a natural role. So you see, it's all about your passion and what kind of way you want to go forward. So yeah, you see, from now, if you plan yourself to get into the SDET role, you have to start learning about first, you don't worry about whether I get into SDET role or not. Keep that aside. Whether you get or not, you will be use. It will be useful. Whatever the learnings you are going to do, it will be useful. The first thing that you have to do is automation. Focus well. Second thing, automation. First thing is automation. Focus well. Second thing is like take up one programming language and don't stop that at normal level. Take it to the next level. Either Java or whatever the language you pick. Right. Take it to the next level. Okay. Take it to the next level where algorithms you try to solve and try to solve the algorithms and try to learn all the advanced concepts of Java, etc. Okay, where developers will generally what developers will do apart from testers, that knowledge you have to acquire. Okay, as a developer you have to think and what else? API, give utmost importance to API. That is the third point. API testing and API automation. Then you are good to go. You see, SDET is something where you will think about the application testing at the architecture point of view. Okay, instead of thinking the application at testing point of view, you will think about the architecture point of view. So APIs will come into that architecture, and UI will come into that architecture. What kind of UI developers, the UI development, JavaScript, CSS, HTML, those all will come into play here. Okay, that is SDAT role. So keep learning all those skills. Okay, regarding that SDAT and all. So I'll recommend you one channel. Since you are asking more about SDAT, right? Let me recommend you about one channel. So give me a second. It's not YouTube channel actually. It's that QA. Shukla. You see, you can. There is a video also. Skills you need to become an SDET. I has created a video 1 month back. Okay, I'll share that video with you. So he's a friend of mine. So, that's why I remember him. So he's purely focusing on SDET thing. So he just create all the content on the title of SDET. So since you are in the direction, try to follow him more often so that we'll get used to that what is needed and all. Fine. I pasted the link in the chat. You can take it from there. That video.
Yeah.
Yeah. Clear, right, Arpita?
Yeah.
Yeah, welcome. Any other people want to talk to me? So I have 5 more minutes to close this meeting. I'll stop this meeting in 5 minutes, or this webinar in 5 minutes. So if any questions are there, you just let me know. Okay. If you don't have any questions, you can leave this meeting, guys. Leave this webinar. Okay. Yeah, I cannot speak your name much, but you can talk to me directly. No problem. Aboba, I can speak till there. Yeah, Aboba, what you want to ask? You can ask me. You can unmute your mic and then ask directly. Yeah, Pramod, are you asking? Hello, Pramod, you want to talk to me? Yeah, please, Pramod, tell me. Which one? Which one? Okay, Selenium automation. You are talking about the live trainings, or you are talking YouTube. Okay, yeah, zero experience people can come, and freshers and any level people can come, and they can learn from it. No problem in that. I didn't get that. Come again, Pramod. 2 years, 2 years. Plan for 2 years. With my content, you can plan for 2 years. Okay. Yeah, no problem. Welcome, Pramod. Yes, Aruna Giri, and then yeah. Actually, my team is taking care of that. I have provided the details in the chart. Okay, if you want, I can ping again. Can get to them. Mostly they are planning in this week, I guess. Okay, I don't know, but I have an idea that they are maybe planning this weekend. It's like 45 days we have planned, 40 to 45 days. Okay, so depending on, we may take an extra 5 days if required also. It's not about, just fixed class and all. It's behind trainings. Okay, we are not behind money or something. We want to deliver something good to the community and all. Okay, so that's the reason these classes are started. The fees is very less for the classes, as you can see and all. I'm not promoting my courses and all, but if you want to spend more time with me in clearing your doubts and get clarity on whatever all the stuff, then only you have to join the live trainings. Okay, but the details of when they will start and all, right, the team will take care of that. I have pinned the details again in the chat. You can take it from there. Okay, great. They will clear all your doubts there. Okay, you can get. You can talk to them. They are very good in explaining the stuff. Yeah, 2 more minutes, guys. 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Anyone have any other doubts? We'll end this webinar in 2 minutes. So just speak out. Yeah, Abuba. Yeah, good morning. Yes, yes, I have seen you. I have seen you. Right, correct. Okay, okay. You are new to IT completely.
Yeah, very absolutely.
Okay,
But I've been going through your YouTube channel,
great,
and I'm
great.
like, when you said that when thing, I'm like, okay, let me just come in and see how it goes.
Okay.
So now, as it is, because I'm very new, and
Mhm.
I've had a lot of work on this platform, and I'm beginning to wonder where do I start from, or what do I
So you are already into my live training, right? So focus on that live training. Don't have to worry much. Okay. You don't have to worry much. Just focus on my live trainings. That's the best way to start. Once that is done, I'll be there anyhow to guide you. Okay. In detail.
So
So just blindly follow the live training. That will be because in the live training, I'm not teaching the software testing first. Rather, I'm first teaching the Selenium automation, and wherever required software testing, I'll be teaching there. And later we'll go to software. Everything will be covered to you. The basic part, the basic pillars, right? Whatever the pillars, basic pillars that you will be aware of after the training. Okay. So once that is done, I can set your direction in a better way. Okay. So in advanced stuff and the additional stuff we can discuss more. Till then, don't worry about any other thing other than this live training. All good now? Yeah, welcome, welcome. Good to see you. Okay, last 1 minute. Anyone want to speak out? Last 1 minute, last one chance. Final one who will be speaking with me today in the webinar. Yeah, hello. Yamuna. Yeah, tell me, Yamuna. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Yamuna. Okay, what is that you are saying? Come again. Okay, okay. You are saying that you have restarted your career, you got a gap, right? You are saying that you got a gap in your career. No problem. Don't worry about that. These things are common. Okay, a lot of people have a lot of gap due to their personal XYZ reasons. So no problem in that. You can apply as if you took a gap and the reason for the gap is there with you anyhow. Just attempt the interviews and get into the companies because these days companies are a lot of having a lot of they're running a lot of things in their company like to encourage the women and all those stuff. Okay, so because as compared to men, women have to go through a lot of personal things in their life and because of which they may not continue continuously in their career. That is open secret. So you have to express the same problem why you have stopped and then continue. There's no problem in that. Okay, where to apply? You're saying the best place to apply is Naukri itself. Okay, and we are also planning to post some job updates on our Telegram group. Follow our Telegram group also and try to apply them. Okay, but Naukri is the best one, number one I can say. No one can beat Naukri in terms of job things and all those stuff. So second priority, third priority will change, but first one will be Naukri and second wherever you get the information, LinkedIn. Okay, LinkedIn you have to build the connections and all. That's all third, second, fourth like that. But number one will be Naukri. And even we will be doing our part by posting, by posting a lot of, things on job updates and all. We are expecting the market to be up in the April 2024. So till then you can, improve your skills and add more skills to your resume. And, in June, by the time of June, the market will be peak and a lot of people will be getting jobs. That's what we are expecting. Even I am expecting to happen. For now, if you don't have the automation knowledge, start with manual and parallelly you learn automation, API automation also, and mobile testing and mobile automation. Okay, these are the major ones to be in the market, but it's not compulsory though. But these days, people are expecting up to manual, Selenium automation, and API. Three things they are expecting. On the top of that, mobile also, if you add, that will be good. Since we have time, we can focus on that. Yeah, fine, fine. And keep updating your resume on a daily basis. Whether you upload only one time, you'll not get calls. Okay. Try to update whether you do some changes to the resume or not, doesn't matter. In the Naukri, keep uploading the same resume with small change, dot or something you add and update. Okay. So that your resume will be on the top in the competition and you may get more calls compared to if you're not active on Naukri, things may not happen. So keep uploading. No matter what, keep uploading the updated resume in Naukri and keep adding more skills to that resume over a period of time. That will help you in landing the job, landing on jobs. Okay, all good now, Yamuna? Hello. Yeah, fine. Okay. Okay, so that's all, guys. Okay, a lot of other people may have the questions, but I'll not be able to take now. So you can reach me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, you can, if any other pending things are there, you can reach me on my WhatsApp number. So Veeramalla, Swarna Malika, you can reach me on my WhatsApp. Okay, I can address regarding this on my WhatsApp. Okay, after this meeting. Is that fine? We can discuss this over WhatsApp. Okay, any other questions? So that's all, guys. See you in next webinar that we may conduct maybe next week or next week. Weekly or bi-weekly, we'll plan different webinars. Try to attend them and gain more knowledge and try to get a chance to talk to me directly and clear out your doubts, whatever the doubts you have. And keep in touch and track our Telegram group where we are posting a lot of stuff. Okay, track our Telegram group where we are posting a lot of stuff. Okay, so and follow our work there so that we'll be able to help you out in all aspects. Thank you, everyone. Bye, everyone. See you again. Sure. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for your nice comments in the chat. Thank you very much.